Hello mga kahabis! So today I'll be teaching you on how to use Google Meet using your laptop. And of course, sa mga previous video natin, I have taught you on how to use Google Meet using your mobile phone, but this time is a laptop naman. So let's start!
First thing to remember before using Google Meet, make sure na ikaw ay naka-sign in na rito. And then you have to make sure also to search the Google Meet itself. There are two ways for us to open the Google Meet. You can use the search bar and type in there meet.google.com, or the other way is just toggle your cursor dito sa 9 dots and click on it, and then meron tayong makikitang Meet. Pwede nating papalit-palitan yung pwesto ng mga to depending on the frequently used, but I usually place Meet on the first option. On this part, I'll be using my organization email account, which is from DepEd. So I'll be using it para makapag-teach online class. So once I have clicked on the Meet application, the option that I have here is the join or start a meeting. After clicking on join or start meeting, I will have this option join or start a meeting, and then I could have named the meeting conference, like for example is teachers conference. Then I could click on continue. In this part, we have available options where we can change the settings for your microphone on and off, as well as your camera on and off. Pwede rin natin palitan ang ating background. If you want your background to be changed into blur effect, pwede nating piliin yung blur effect or background. Whichever background you could choose or you want to choose, then pwede naman if you want to change your background into different features. So let's try to change the background of my camera. So I'll pick some of the background I want to choose. Let's say for example this one. Ayan. So you'll have the background like this. Or if you want to choose the blur background, then you can do so. Ayan. Marami tayong mga options. Kung anong gusto mong gamitin, you can do it. Another option that we have here is the 3 dots available at the upper right corner ng monitor mo. And when we click on it, choices na meron tayo is yung change background, turn on notification, as well as the settings. Yun lang naman yung kailangan natin dito sa part na to. For the change background, same function lang naman siya dito sa part na to. And then for the turn on caption, if you want your communication or languages be translated to different languages, then you can do it so. Then sa settings naman, ang options na meron tayo is for the audio. As you can see, meron akong default crisp microphone because I'm using an external microphone na ginagamitan ko ng noise cancelling background para hindi makaabala yung background noise sa conference. And another thing is the video itself. Dito, I am using my built-in camera sa laptop. But if you want to choose different camera, let's say for example, meron kayong external webcam na binili, pwede nyo gamitin yon. You can choose the option available here. But in my case, wala akong external, kaya wala akong ibang other options. Then sa send resolution, pwede natin palitan yan, as well as the receive resolutions. For the send resolution, ayan, makikita mo naman, pwede mo siya sa standard or the high definition. If you want your camera be shown sa other side ng conference, pwede mo siyang taasan para mas malinaw ang iyong camera na makikita ng iyong mga kausap. So once you're done sa settings ng iyong camera, your phone, the resolution itself, yeah, pwede na tayo pumunta dito sa part na to. As you can see, the title of the meeting is Teachers Conference. So this is just an example. Kung natatandaan ninyo, nilagyan ko siya ng title. But for this tutorial, I use Teachers Conference. So we have the options Join Now and Present. For the Join Now, automatic ikaw mismo ang kakauna makapasok sa Google Meet conference. For the present, well then, pwede naman natin itong balikan mamaya. pagkatapos nating i-click yung present kasi dito, you are just basically pinipresent mo yung screen sa mismong laptop. So let's click on join now. Once na-click na yung join meeting, ito na yung lilitaw na next page. Usually makikita dito yung title ng meeting, which is the Teachers Conference. And in this part, makikita din natin yung link na pwede nating isend sa mga taong i-invite natin within the conference. Usually, ito yung kailangan na code ng ibang mga joiner. Then, you can also click on copy joining info at pwede nating i-paste ito kung saang platform mo isi-send yung invitation. Or you can just simply click on the add people and then ito yung mga options or pwede mong i-add dun sa conference mo. So in this part, makikita natin may mga options available dyan sa ilalim. So for the Teachers Conference, ito yung link na pwede nating i-send sa ating mga joiners sa conference. And dito naman, another option is the turn on and off of your microphone and the leave call. If you think na kailangan mo nang i-end yung conference niyo, then you just have to click this one and the camera on and off. And for this turn on captions, yan, isa-show ko kung paano ito. So, as you can see, ayan, naiiba yung sinasabi ko dito because the caption is not working in Tagalog but it's working in English for your student to fully understand what you are trying to discuss with them. So, turn off ko na ito. Okay, so another option na meron tayo is yung tinatawag nating present now. Sa under present now, ang mga choices is your entire screen, a window, or a tab only. So, if you are actually presenting your presentation or yung discussion mo, of course, mas mainam na i-present mo yung entire screen mo. But, make sure na wala kang mga credentials na nakalagin dyan or nakikita sa entire screen mo dahil makikita yan ng mga taong nasa conference. So, if you click on your entire screen, ang option na makikita mo dyan, lahat ng mga naka-open na applications or windows dyan sa iyong laptop ay lilitaw dito sa screen na to. Just click on the specific screen that you want to show and then click on sharing. So, ayan. So, basically this time, I'm sharing my screen na doon sa mga taong kasama sa conference. But if you think na tapos na, ikaw ang mag-present, you can just click on stop sharing. So, let's try. Kung halimbawa ay ino-open ko itong isang presentation na to, yan, this entire screen will be shown on the other side of the camera, which is yung mga joiner ng ating conference. So, stop sharing na if you think natapos ka na mag-share ng iyong discussion. Another option na meron tayo is yung 3 dots available at the lower right part ng monitor mo. Yung whiteboard, change layout, full screen, and so on and so forth. For the whiteboard, yeah, pwede ka naman choose ng start a new whiteboard. Then, parang nagta-type ka or nagdo-drawing ka sa paint. Ayan, kung lilitaw siya dito, if you want to show something here, ayan. So, pwede kang maglagay-lagay na kung ano-ano dyan, ng photos, if you have some photos here. Ayan. But in my case, ang ginagawa ko kasi, doon mismo sa presentation, sa PowerPoint ko, ibinibigay lahat ng details para hindi na masyadong ginagamitan ng whiteboard. For the change layout, ito, yung mga available. Kung gusto mo lahat nakikita, pwede mong choose yung tiled and then mapapalitan mo yung number of participants na makikita mo sa iyong monitor depending on the window size. Ayan siya. But if you want to choose spotlight, then ikaw lang mismo nakakakita or ikaw lang mismo yung nakikita ng mga viewers mo. And then sidebar, lahat ng mga participants makikita dito sa bandang side. Moving forward sa ating options dito sa 3 dots, meron din tayo yung full screen, change background if you opted to choose a different background, and then yung settings din. Nandyan yung settings na sa audio and video if you want to change the setting itself. And then dito sa change background, just click on change background and then lilitaw na dito yung mga options na available kung gusto mong palitan yung iyong background. So let's move on to the next one. Ito yung tinatawag nating sa show everyone, chat with everyone, and your account itself. So dito sa show everyone, makikita natin dito yung mga participants ng ating conference. Ayan, dito yung ako mismo. And then ang option dito, pwede nating ipin kung sino yung gusto mong lumitaw sa mismong big screen. And then usually kapag yung mga students mo or yung mga kausap mo nagsasalita nang hindi sila nakamute, sila yung lilitaw dito sa big screen. You can unmute them or mute them. Or if you want to pin the specific participants, just click on pin para siya yung makikita dun sa mismong big screen. And then dito naman sa chat, dito makakapag-chat kayo yung mga participants freely. And then, yung presenters, pwede niyang i-view ito if there are some questions raised by the participants. So, that's basically it. If you think na end na natin yung conference, you just have to click on the leave call. Then, lahat ng mga chat dito sa chat box will be deleted as well. Just click on the drop call or the leave call, then the conference will be end.
So ayun na nga mga kahabis, I hope na nakatulong itong basic tutorial natin on how to use Google Meet on your laptop. And if you want more videos of mine, don't forget to click on subscribe, like, and comment for more libangan na ating kinagigiliwan. That's gonna be it for today. Bye!